Intense and the search makes beating in music, it's beating in dancehall. And right now the man said force like a rabbit. What the man name? Feloni19’s.
Feloni19’s, man, the father, you know.
Father, what go on?
Yeah, man.
Bro, we see you break out this dancehall scene with a different style. Yeah. More aggression to the dancehall field. But before going into music, bro, like, how you got into this? What the journey like?
Music always been a part of my life. My father love music, so I'm always a play certain dancehall artists. Cartel, Mopado, and I'm Mopado clash them time and them things there. So, them type of rough thing that I gravitate to see, mate. And practice and then little thing there.
Yeah, but how you actually got into music though?
I used to just freestyle and make songs for my phone, and then I get to realize that I can write and them things there. I just take the opportunity and start write bass song. Till one of my G them say me, you know, like him do one ton producer, him name West Bank Records, so I can make a studio. From that, I'm top record. So.
Your songs on your song, it's different from everybody. Force like a rabbit, bro. Bro, what that?
Force like a rabbit, man, force up and bolt up in anything what we do, man, see me? You know, a rabbit move fast and kick fast, so we just take that right now and show you where. So, yo, listen, we don't take no for your hand, so you see it? So we just force up and bolt up in anything like a rabbit, you see it?
So basically, I kick the gate then?
Yeah.
Alright, what's where you hail from? Because your songs them sound like, you know, man, on the next side of Jamaica, that side out, that side.
Yeah, man Tigo be a Granville, you see me? Granville City.
What's some of inspiration to you in music growing up, apart from your father?
Family, Sparta, Vibes Cartel, even some international artists, Kodak Black. You see me? But them here and they are more of my inspiration, you see it?
Like, who do you say your dancehall style now, like, there's a comparison to it?
You know, I kind of take off a Family, Sparta still, you see it? Father, that you see it?
So it's good.
Yeah, man.
So you can look for collaboration and family anytime then?
Yeah, man, for sure, for sure.
Fellow, we say I do it, and I do it in a different style. You get me, I say? What you think you have to offer dancehall?
Whole heap of work, man, you see me? Because me now start working and I try to take it to another level, international, worldwide. Not top you say, you see me?
Speaking of international, what in Jamaican music is missing right now for put the song them on the top charts from overseas?
It's getting there now. Just time. Just give artists them some chance to do work, you see it?
Some of the people basically as a backlash the type of scamming topics and what you call it, the ghost topics them like. What have you said to them basically? Because you want them to represent some of them songs also.
Yeah, man, I just know say the art or what they go on now. I just know say nowadays at 2025 that the youths them are doing, the youths them are gravitate to. So why not? I have to show me on them, man. See me, a motivation see me. When I tell yourself to motivate because hope you're nobody.
So most of what they're saying basically is like the old school dancehall, the 90s and the 2000s are still in play when they go overseas, right? And the new school, which are the trap dancehall, you see what I say? Them say that not really a fly past certain level. Like what you have basically we can actually change it or incorporate the both.
People that say them thing there, say them nowadays music and not do that, but them to embrace it and give the wider audience and the type of impression there. You see it in a real life. Because the youth them mad for true. And a timing as I say, because I remember you know, youth them have to get a chance to get a listening ears. So when them really get the listening ears and get a chance, now them go divert and switch over to a different thing. So just timing as I say, just give you them some time, you see it. Give me some time, because I don't do it, you see me?
Who is the dream collab?
Dream collab? I don't have no dream collab.
There's no ass out there say, yo, mad more work than you.
No, sir. Don't tell her I just goes alone, goes a giant, and Cartel a giant. And I say, no, other, some of them want no dream. No.
Force Like a Rabbit are the most standout song for you at the moment.
Yeah.
When I drop a song there and the feedback from the fans, I'm like, what do you feel about that?
I never expect the song would blow up, but at the same time, I want me to do that work for. I expect that song would do it, but I know say one of them they go blow up. I see it. I'm just having to work out for that, isn't it?
You can say I perform on a stage show and Skipper.
Skipper, big up Skipper, man.
You can't even sing a song yourself. The whole fan, the whole crowd, I sing a song before you.
Yeah, man. People them kind of gravitate to me still, you see me? My energy, I'm a vibe, you see it? So when I perform from my yard, I could have told somebody. I perform like a sunfest today, you see me?
For other artists upcoming, like, what kind of advice you have to give them?
Youths, so now just have to force up. Don't take no for your answer. Just force up and focus and put in the work.
What's the state of dancehall to you though?
Dancehall mad, bro.
Before Vibes Carl come from prison, say like away though.
Yeah.
Going forward back. But look.
No, sir, not go so, bro. You see me, I just threw him at the G, him at the general, you see me? Everybody just go say, yo, but dancehall hot, bro. So Cartel come from prison and listen to Jamal, you know, see that? Jamal, you know, what them say, a Cartel do that, you know. That's for sure, say thing mad for true.
The songs, what am I say, need for 8 the Grammys and the Billboard is not the scamming topics.
No, as me say earlier,
Are you a diverse artist?
I'm one of them artists that bro wanna stay in a one lane because I don't want nobody put me in a scammer lane as no scammer artist.
Fair to say, if a reggae beat,
Any beat you give me a hit song when I lift up and that, you see me?
what's the most intense thing about Feloni19 though?
My vice and the determination. Fully determined. Nothing can stop my brother. Nothing at all.
Have you ever felt gatekeep, as in you have songs that are going good for you, but you not say it at right certain level, I go certain aspect?
When I start do this thing, bro, I just me and my brother been on the it, bro. You see me?
You have a big song right now, bro.
Yeah.
Nobody reach out to you and say, yo, bro, we need to start this.
At that time, them start to reach out. I'll just say, go, yeah, when we done do what we need to do, that's why they know if you can ramp with me. You better anything I hear me say, or do what that me mean, so. I'm definitely just serious when them come to me, you see me?
So that's strictly business then?
Right through. No, my friend. Force like a rabbit, and I understand, people. I force this thing, that's what I'm going to ever say, yeah. Remember that. Yeah.
Man, see the intense. Feloni19.
Active,
what would I go and do?
Full.